Hi guys, so we're back under the brumby today, and today we are going to do brake lines. We're going to sort out the brakes. We'll do brake lines and we will do handbrake cables. So I'll show you how that's kind of going to happen. Alright guys, so it's actually pretty easy. You can see the flex line there coming from the back of the caliper. It's come through here, beautiful, you know, heaps of clearance. We'll give it heaps of room. And there's heaps of length on this flex line. And then as you can see here, this is the original brumby hard line, which I cut the flex line off. So basically all you got to do is put that one into that mount and then screw the hard line on and bleed up the brakes. So that's how the brakes are going to be on the rear. And then this is the handbrake cable, and that kind of just comes up from over the back there, and then it will be mounted kind of up here somewhere. We'll build a bracket for it, and then it'll go into the back over the top of the tunnel of the cab, and we'll do a couple of extensions. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Alright, cool. So as you can see, nice and tidy. Literally bolted straight on, so that was good. Try and get a photo video in here. So, because these are legacy WRX brakes, the flex lines had like a little clip where they would go onto the strut, but I'm using that to kind of help fix it to the subframe so that it doesn't rub through. And then I've just got some zip ties. It's probably a temporary permanent solution, so I think it'll be all good. Just want to get to the track really. Hey guys, alright, so quick update is I have got this cable, and this cable is the adapter from the 2-to-1 link through to the handbrake lever. It's where you get these from is you get them custom built from a sailing rigger, from yachts or whatever. It's a really high flex cable. And like these are supposed to be like 6,000 pounds of force before they come apart, these joints. And yeah, you can get a little thread, got an adapter on the end, obviously got the right length, so 20 bucks, and we'll put it together in the near future. So just dropped down to pick apart at lunchtime, and I've picked out the last piece of the puzzle. This is the handbrake lever. I've got one already. It doesn't have the rubber grommet or grab handle on it. It's a bit rusty, and I also, in the hectic chaos of life, I lost the adapter and I cannot find it, so I need a new one. $9, and this is the last piece of the missing puzzle. So yeah. Alright, so back in the shed, and I have started modifying the handbrake adapter from the 2-to-1. So this is what I've come up with. Cool, so drill the rivets out, get rid of them. And then on one of them I have welded some nuts so that when it goes together in a sandwich-like fashion, and then that goes in there, that one goes in there. No ring spanners required, just a nice little tidy Allen key head, and we are good to go. So I'm going to keep working on it. I might give it a little paint and then put it in. Exciting. So the handbrake system is finished. I'm just going to show you that real briefly. It's taken ages to get this done because we've been building a trailer, and yeah, so I'll quickly show you how that ended up, and yeah, we'll call it on this video. Alright, so underneath you can see there we've made up a bit of a bracket just to hold the cables as they go through the back of the cab, and then in here that's where it comes through. Got our line, bulkies, comes through, goes into our bracket on our line, and then on to the handbrake lever, and that's it. That's all I've got time for, so I'll catch you next time.